Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to add live events on Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you like the video and you think it's worth, then that's my right to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. Once you open up your Facebook app, then just simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap at see your about information. Once you come to your about information, just simply scroll down a little bit until you get the option of add live event. Just simply tap on it like that and tap at create. So from here you will just have to select your category, that will be up to you, in which category you want to add a live event. Like select anyone from here, like a relationship. Here it's asked for marriage, engagement, first meet, or whatever. That's dependent on you. I'm just selecting the engagement like that. Just simply select it. From here you can tag the profile of your partner or whatever it is, and you can also select a date, and here you write some words about that event which you want to share with you, like friends or whatever. From here you can also tag your location at the very bottom, you can see that. So once you're done with all of these steps, you like add your cover photo or whatever. Once you're done with these all, just simply tap at this next button on the top right corner, just like that. Once you tap on it, here you can also change the visibility by tapping over there. You can here select the visibility whatever you want, just simply select it like that, and like select it and come back. Here once you tap at share, it will be shown into your share, like it will in your feed, share feed. Just simply tap at share like that. So that's how you can easily add a live event onto Facebook profile. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below and I'll get you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.